Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Question number 1. Which bird lays the largest egg in the world? The right option is A. Ostrich. Question number 2. Which is the only country to have both lions and tigers? The correct answer is C. India. Question number 3. Which bird can fly backwards? The correct answer is B. Hummingbirds. Question number 4. Which is the only mammal that can fly? The right option is C. Bats. Question number 5. Which is the state animal of Karnataka? And the right option is D. Elephant. Question number 6. Which bird is the king of birds? The right option is B. Eagle. Question number 7. Which bird is the symbol of peace? The right option is C. Dove. Question number 8. Which state is called the Tiger State in India? The right option is A. Madhya Pradesh. Question number 9. Which animal is known as man's best friend? The right option is B. Domestic dogs. Question number 10. How many legs do insects have? The right option is B. 6. Question number 11. What is the tallest animal in the world? The right option is B. Giraffe. Question number 12. How many legs does an octopus have? The correct answer is C. 8. Question number 13. What is the national animal of India? The right option is A. Tiger. Question number 14. What is the fish that can taste with its entire body? The right option is A. Catfish. Question number 15. What is the continent known as the land of kangaroos? And the right option is C. Australia. Thanks for watching.